Who doesn't love potato chips? Especially when they're fat-free, low-sodium, crispy, and delicious, with or without ketchup, and just 6 minutes in the microwave. We start this journey with washed russet potatoes, or any potato you love. Then comes your food processor for fast, easy slices. Set the dial for the thickness that suits you best. If yours is not adjustable, use the blade that provides thin, even slices. Or you can opt for quicker cleanup by using your trusty mandolin. I usually set the dial to the first setting for nice, crispy chips. First, cut the potato for easy slicing, and then go for it. But be sure to use the finger guard for protection. When you're done, voila! You're ready for the oven or microwave. I use parchment paper for a disposable non-stick surface. For the oven, line the pan and place the chips. For microwave users, here's a little trick I learned. I cut a round piece of parchment paper so the chips can rotate and cook evenly. Draw a circle and then cut the parchment paper. When you're done, place the papas evenly on the sheet. That way, you get nice, crisp potato chips. I add a little salt for flavor. You can add pepper, garlic, celery powder, or whatever spices you like. Then, pop your potatoes in the microwave for 6 minutes, or 20 to 40 minutes in the oven at 450 degrees. You have to watch them carefully because every oven cooks differently. When they're done, you've got crisp and delicious. Wow! Let them cool for a few seconds, and then it's time for a taste test. You can't get any better than that. Fat-free, low sodium, awesome, mega delicious with or without ketchup, and only 6 minutes for microwave users. If you enjoyed this, click the like button to motivate me to make more recipe videos. Share this with your friends so they can enjoy a healthy meal, and don't forget to subscribe to Lazy Man Vegan.